If you're looking to store your crypto securely for the long haul, then setting up a cold wallet using Binance might just be the perfect solution. So in this guide, we're going to walk through how to do that. So first, go ahead and purchase a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. This is your cold storage device that's going to keep your crypto offline and safe. So once you've got your hardware wallet, go ahead and set it up by following the manufacturer's instructions. And make sure to securely write down your recovery seed phrase and never share it or store it online. Now go ahead and open your Binance account and log into your account. Then head over to your wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your cold storage. And after that, simply click withdraw and paste the receiving address from your hardware wallet into the appropriate field. And also make sure to double check the address to avoid any mistakes. Then next, you can then enter the amount of crypto you want to send, then confirm the transaction. And your crypto will then be transferred to your cold wallet and ready for long-term storage. You can also monitor the transaction status until it's confirmed on the blockchain. So that's all we had for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.